it's Jill. I'm the founder of Kids Baking Club. So you guys ready? This is going to be a fun one. Now, the one thing that you are going to need is a mini star cookie cutter, which if you're getting our baking box, you'll get that in your baking box. But if you don't have it, that's fine too. You can improvise with what I'm going to show you today. This is only 3 ingredients. So it's hot dogs, and if you're a vegetarian, you can use vegetarian hot dogs. If you want to go a little bit healthy, you can use chicken or turkey hot dogs. And you need, this is called those crescent rolls. Now this is the ones that come in sheets. It's called crescent dough sheets. Makes it a little bit easier. And then you need some cheese, but you need it cut thick because it's going to stick on top. So hot dogs, crescent roll dough, cheese. So when you get these crescent rolls, these are really fun because kids love doing this. You basically take the little tab and you open it like this. Have you guys ever made those cinnamon rolls, you know, that are like these? And what I like to do is just kind of pound it like that. That's always fun. And it's just going to open up like this, okay? It's going to be one big sheet of crescent dough. Now, crescent dough is really cool because it has a lot of fat in it, so that when it bakes, unlike bread, which doesn't have a lot of fat in it, it actually makes it really, really flaky, kind of. So it's really, really good. So when you roll this out, you can either do it this way or you can do it long ways. And I'm just gonna cut right here. I'm just gonna cut along. Now, if your parents are allowing you to use a knife, just use a safety knife. And actually you can even use a plastic knife for this because it is so soft. I'm just going to cut along here. So when you have them all cut, this will be the time that you want to put your hot dogs on a bamboo stick or a metal stick that you would normally use to roast marshmallows. So bamboo sticks actually handle heat a lot better than just regular wood. So these bamboo sticks are also coming in your baking kit if you're part of Kids Baking Club, but if not, you can find these at the grocery store. And this is the part where you probably need your parents to help you out. So you're just gonna take on one side and just slowly, carefully, bring it all the way through. Just like that. Now you want a little bit at the top because that is where, when it's all baked, a star, which gives it our firecracker, is gonna be on top like that, okay? So go ahead and set those aside, and then you're going to take your dough and starting at the top, just kind of anchor it at the top, and you're just going to wrap it. Can you see that? You're gonna wrap it like this. And see, it's already looking like a firecracker. Okay, you're going to put that onto a baking pan like this, and you're going to bake that in a 350-degree preheated oven for about 12 minutes. You're gonna start to see it crusting around the side, and that is that your baking pan should hold about 12 hot dogs. So when they come out of the oven, and we're just doing pretend right now, you're going to take your star cookie cutter, and with a thick piece of cheese, you're going to cut your star and just pop that out. And then that is going to stick on top of your thing. And now the fun part is to see how are we going to display this, right? So let's pretend that these are baked. And these are just foam core, or you can use the foam that you buy to put in flowers, or you can even have marbles or rocks or something to anchor so when they stick in. So what I did was I bought some of this and I just cut a bag, a gift bag, in half. I took some of this paper, and you can see in here that I'm hiding this in here. And then I put some real pretty paper, trying to do this with one hand. And then when they're all baked, you're just going to stick them in and then have this beautiful presentation for at your party. So you can see in our baking sheet here your recipe, how it's all displayed, and the ingredients and how to make this in your baking kit. And then also make sure you put it in your notebook so that you have it for a reference for the future. So how simple was that? Is that so much fun? And it would be so great for the kids to do it all by themselves with the help of just getting it in the oven and out of the oven. And then the kids can say that they made it themselves.